Hey, I'm not knocking the Ryobi. I would get this again. Of course, my drill is a Ryobi, and my flashlight's a Ryobi. I've got a little reciprocating saw. Well, this is a reciprocating Sawzall, and I always want to call it a skill saw. An oscillating saw, a skill saw with a blade on it. It came all together, and I would use it again, and I knew this wasn't heavy duty. It's lightweight for the one odd cut. If I was down here all day long cutting and using that and notching, it just wouldn't do it. But to cut a piece of wood out, I showed you down there before where an old form board was, it cut through that, and the foundation bolt that was right there from before. I only chopped off about a quarter of it, and then it beat right off. It's good for that, but to use it all day long down here, nothing doing. I wouldn't use it. I would get something that's more heavy gauge. But Ryobi, it's a lot less expensive, and if you're not a professional contractor, let's say you're just the average Joe like me, and you're only going to use this every once in a while, I would get it. And usually, like I say, it comes in a pack where, you know, look at the store, and if you can get this, try to find it in a package deal where you can find that. You can get the charger with it. You can get 2 batteries. You can get the flashlight with it. You can get a drill with it. You can get a little saw that will cut the one piece of 2x4 that you need, or the one little shelf that you got, and then it comes with the bag. You get all that stuff instead of buying these things separate. Look for that at the store. That's the way I would buy it. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. I got plenty of other things underneath this house to do, and when I get ready to do them, I'm gonna have my video camera right here so I can show you as well. See you next time.